Here's a 2017 Lexus NX. This is the crossover for any urban adventure thanks to a turbocharged engine, aggressive exterior design, and an interior built around you. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, electronic shift on the fly, integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, streaming audio, doors and push button start proximity key, leather steering wheel, front and rear parking sensors, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com highlights its class best fuel economy, generous backseat room for the segment, impeccable cabin construction, and copious high-tech features. Inspired design, relentless innovation, incredible performance. That is the DNA of a Lexus. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
Experience luxury at its highest level. Conveniently located at 16100 Wayzata Boulevard in Wayzata, Minnesota.